Which fruit has a thick yellow peel? Take a guess. 3, 2, 1. The correct answer is banana! Fantastic! You're super smart! Bright red and grows on vines. Think carefully. 3, 2, 1. Ready? The answer is tomato! Awesome! Great job! Which fruit is tiny, blue, and sweet? Can you guess? 3, 2, 1. It's blueberry! Wonderful! You're amazing! Is wrapped in green leafy layers. Think. 3, 2, 1. Time's up. The answer is cabbage! Excellent! You are super smart! Which fruit is pink inside with tiny black seeds? 3, 2, 1. The answer is dragon fruit! Fantastic! You're a fruit expert! Let's think. Let's think. 3, 2, 1. It's avocado! Great job! You're amazing!